Hi, I'm Makita with Advanced Business Systems, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your toner out of your Canon machine. The toner is located behind this panel door, and it is important to know that you can't change the toner unless the machine indicates that it's time. So once you receive the message here on the screen, you'll be able to hit the eject button, and then the toner cartridge that needs to be replaced, the door will flap open and you'll be able to remove the toner out of the machine. You'll go ahead and grab your new toner cartridge, remove it out of the box, and you can go ahead and insert it straight back into the machine. Then you're going to go ahead and close that panel door, and that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, visit us at advancedstuff.com.